Doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install a Comet browser. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your browser and type Comet browser download. This is the official website where you can download a Comet browser. www.perplexity.ai. Okay, click on that. Uh, Here you have the option which is download Comet. Okay, click on that. It's downloading, as you can see here. It's downloading. So the download is almost finished, and now let's install it. Go to the download folder and run it. Double click on that. Click on start install. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading now. This is the best browser integrated with AI. You can use it just for free now. You don't have to pay for that. That's the good thing. It's installing now. As you can see, the installation is complete. Just click on Launch Comet. It started in this video. As you can see, it looks amazing. Welcome to Comet. Click on Get Started. It is based on a Google Chrome, so if you want to import your bookmarks from Google Chrome, just click on import. If you don't want, just click on do this. Yeah, the browser has been installed successfully, and now if you want to work with this browser, here you have an option which is assistant. You can use this assistant, for example, summarize this page. You can summarize pages with this assistant. As you can see, it has summarized the whole page for you. For example, open a website for translating a page, for example, in a new tab. It will open a new tab for you where you can translate, as you can see, Google Translator. This is the cool thing about this browser. Yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.